Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this pearl necklace. The materials we will require are pearl beads in size 10 millimeters and 4 millimeters, a nylon monofilament in size 0.5 millimeters, jump rings and a clasp. Let's get our material ready and let's get started. So cut your fishing line and fold it in half. Then using one end, pick your clasp and insert it on the fishing line like that. Then pull it downwards to the middle of the fishing line. Then make a knot like that. Using one end of the fishing line, I'll pick 2 beads as shown below, and using the other end, I'll pick 2 beads. Then using one end, I'll pick 1 bead and crisscross like that. I'll then pull my beads downwards like that. Using one end again, I'll pick 2 4 millimeters beads, and using the other end, I'll pick 2. Then I'll pick 1 bead and crisscross using the other end like that. I'll pull my beads downwards like that. I'll again pick 2 4 millimeters beads using one end, another 2 millimeters beads using the other end like that. I'll then pick 1 bead like that and crisscross like that. I'll again pick 2 4 millimeters beads using one end, then using the other end pick 2, then using either of the ends I'll pick 1 bead and crisscross like that and pull my beads downwards like that. I'll repeat the same process until I achieve the desired length. This is how your necklace should look like. And in order to complete this part of our necklace and add the jump rings, I will pick, using one end of my nylon monofilament, I'll pick 2 4 millimeters beads, pick my jump rings like that. Then I'll pick 2 more 4 millimeters beads like that. Then I'll make a knot like that. I'll make 2 knots. So that's how our necklace looks like so far. Cut it out. But in order to make your necklace a bit strong, you have to go back, making some few knots like the way I'm doing, like that. I'll then trim my fishing line using a nail cutter like that. This is how our necklace looks like. So one part of the fishing line is still intact. So to add this part of our necklace, this is where your fishing line should be. Then I'll pick one 4mm bead, one size 10 bead, and one 4mm bead, like that. Then I'll pass my fishing line through this bead, that bead, and this one, like that. I'll then pull my fishing line like that. I'll again pick one 4mm bead, one 10mm bead, and one 4mm bead. I'll then skip this bead and this one, then pass my fishing line through that bead and this other bead, like that. I'll then pull my fishing line like that. Again pick one 4mm bead, one 10mm bead, and another one 4mm bead. I'll skip this bead and this one, then I'll pass my fishing line through that bead and this bead, like that, and pull my fishing line. Again I'll pick one 4mm bead, one 10mm bead, and another 4mm bead, then skip this bead and this one and pass my fishing line through that bead and this bead, like that, and pull my fishing line like that. Again pick one 4mm bead, one 10mm bead, and one 4mm bead. I'll skip this bead and this one and pass my fishing line through this bead and this bead, like that, and pull my fishing line like that. So I'll repeat the same process until I reach at this point. Now let's complete making our necklace. I'll pick one 4mm bead, one 10mm bead, and one 4mm bead, like that. I'll skip this bead and this one and pass my fishing line through this bead and this other bead. I'll pull my fishing line like that. I'll pick one 4mm bead, one 10mm bead, and one 4mm bead. I'll skip this bead and this one and pass my fishing line through this bead. I'll then go through this bead and make knots to fasten my necklace, like that. I'll make a knot here, like that. I'll pass my fishing line through this bead, and make another knot and trim my fishing line. Like that. I'll then trim my fishing line, and here is our beautiful necklace. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.